Hey everyone, welcome back to the library and happy October. Our Teen Take and Make kits are out now and you can pick them up at the front desk while supplies last. This month we're making yarn pumpkins. Let's take a look at what you'll find in your kit, then we'll go ahead and put one together. When you open up your kit, you'll find a bag of yarn strings, a balloon, a cup of glue, 2 pipe cleaners, and instructions. Now let's go into setup. The first thing you want to do is blow up your balloon about halfway so that it's round like a pumpkin. Next, you'll tie up the end of your balloon with a piece of yarn so that you can hang it from somewhere like a cabinet knob while you're working. Don't forget to put down something like old newspapers or a bag to catch glue drips under your balloon. You could even use the paper bag your kit came in. Next, you can either keep the glue in the cup or pour it into a bowl for easier access. Dip a piece of yarn in the glue and cover it. You can use a plastic fork or your fingers to scrape a little glue back into your container, but don't scrape off too much or the pumpkin won't be very sturdy. Next, you'll wrap your string around the balloon loosely, pressing it down as you go so that it sticks to the balloon. Now you'll repeat this process until you've wrapped all your strings around the balloon. It doesn't have to be completely covered, but make sure you do enough variation in your placement to make a globe shape. Now comes the wait. It needs to dry for up to 24 hours. This will let the glue dry thoroughly so that it won't come apart for the next step. Once it's all dry, you will press down on the balloon to separate it from the yarn. Make sure you do this all over so your pumpkin doesn't collapse. Next, with a pair of scissors, cut a small hole in the loose part of the balloon. This will allow the balloon to deflate slowly so you can make sure to detach it from any parts of the yarn. After it's deflated, you can pull the balloon out through one of the openings. All that's left to do is put the stem on your pumpkin. You can curl up your pipe cleaners with your pinky finger. Then you just wrap the end of it around a part of your pumpkin to attach it, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy this month's Take and Make craft, and that this video helps clear up anything that might be confusing. Thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you next time.